houses are fun, but some accessories are sold separately. Like this special WOWCube. Solve it for a special surprise. Looks like the dolls are having a big disco party. There are different settings to choose from, too. Why does it seem like some dolls have all the luck? But maybe they'll let you join the party? Unfortunately, there might be a dress code in order. Hey, keep your hands to yourself. Seriously, they can break off. There's no place like home, but you might need a hotel. But first, a showdown. Let's see who can build the better house. Cardboard is classic, but who says it can't be fancy? And speaking of fancy, here's a gilded Labubu. Of course, true worth is on the inside. Talk about a heart of gold. Spleen, too. But now, it's time we hit the floor. You know, this house could use a tune-up, too. Don't worry, I'm sure we can draw something up. Like a whole colored pencil layout. Now you'll always be walking over the rainbow. Next up, why don't we make it rain? It's the roof's job to shield from the downpour. But you should really save those bills. After all, furniture can cost a pretty penny. Don't worry, a couch doesn't need to be pricey. The important thing is that it has a soft touch. Walking on the beach is fun, but it does cause a mess. So why don't we whip this sand into shape? And what's a better shape than Hello Kitty? Add glue to keep things in place. Aw, what a pretty kitty. So what? We've got something better. Some fresh laundry. Okay, maybe not. But we've got clothespins. Lots and lots of clothespins. And a lid. Let's clip them on. Flip it over. And you've got a new table. Ooh, pizza. Your candy machine's empty. So why don't we fill it up? Just put in the code, pull the lever, and the treats are yours. There's enough to go around. Have a bite, Dolly. But I think we need to make our own treats. Take apart a cup. Now slide it back in. Next, cut off the top half of a plastic bottle. Of course, our new candy dispenser's gonna need some, well, candy. Is there anything sweeter than a secret stash? But the sweetest part's when the secret's out. Looks like somebody's getting room service. That was fast. Let's hope she left a tip. This new computer might be tiny. But it comes with a really cool screensaver. And what's tinier than a tiny computer? A tiny phone! Pink is nice, but you just can't beat a golden Labubu. It pays to be tech-savvy, but you gotta pay first. This plastic bag might help. But first, let's help Gray. Don't worry, we'll suck the venom out of you. It's the perfect thing to go inside this bag. Seal it up and squeeze it nice and tight. This could be the screen, but we want a colorful case. Well, at least the interior. Seal it up. Soon, you'll always be able to light up the night. Try it out. It's powered by your imagination. And she never had one lesson, too. Uh-oh, Dolly isn't feeling so good.
Okay.
Don't worry, we'll whip you up a water closet. Here, you can even pick your favorite potty. Well, when all else fails, always think pink. Ooh, a free sapphire. I'd take it out first. Ah, she's as content as a queen on her throne. This doll does everything with style. But she's not the only one who needs a privy. Once again, the plastic bottle to the rescue. Normally, I wouldn't support a see-through potty. But in her price range, if it works, it works. Sorry, Dolly, but there's something on your face. But it's nothing a nice bath won't cure. So slip into a bikini and slide right on down. Grab a brush. This calls for a scrub-a-dub-dub. Now the real fun can begin. A bubble blaster. She's not the only one who could use a bath. Well, it's time to break out the old cardboard. Piece by piece, we'll whip you up a tub. Add some clay. Cardboard doesn't do well with water. Let's speed things up. Cool. Come on in, the water's fine. Which means we should probably add some water. Soon we can swab all your problems away. We're dealing with fashion dolls here. So it's about time we see some fashion. But our fashion star wants something unique. Aha! Inspiration strikes! Add some designs to a paper cup. Add another cup, and Dolly's starring in a quick change act. Good. She doesn't do plaid or polka dots either. Great success. She'll be as golden as one of those Labubus.
Cool.
Looks like someone else is overdue for a new outfit. Or, at the very least, cleaning up your old one. Let's start with whipping up a washing machine. Looks good. Ready to take it for a spin? Well, I guess it doubles as a dryer, too. Here, put this on and we can see how you look. Can't spend all day indoors, so let's go out for a drive. Guess this doll's got a need for speed. But I think you've got a date with the car wash. He'll take care of it. Just sit back and relax. All this car needs is a healthy dose of elbow grease. Of course, a nice wax job wouldn't hurt either. Grab the vacuum. She's got sand in here. Probably should change the oil while we're at it. Looks like someone else wants a set of wheels.
What?
4 wheels might be out of our price range. But I think a nice scooter could be in our budget. After all, you'll be mobile on a 3-wheeler. Just add a handle and roll it on out. Come on, try it out. Feel the wind in your hair. It's getting late, so why don't we make you a bed? She's delicate. Make sure there's not a pea under there. In fact, let's go extra fancy and make her a canopy bed. That's the kind with all of those frilly curtains. So let's add some fun flowers while we're at it. Open up the curtains. It's best to let sleeping beauties lie. Speaking of which, someone else could use 40 winks. Newspapers are comfy, but we can do better. Hold on, just finish that ice pop and save the stick. Use some cardboard and we can make you a new bed. Complete with a soft new mattress. Let's grab a blanket so we can tuck you in. Looks like you can use a nap too. Uh-oh! This looks like a job for a nightlight. And this doll likes to light up things in style. Monsters don't stand a chance when you light up the night. Oh, that was scary.
Okay.
But we've got something too. A magic flower. It turns into a lamp. See? Didn't I tell you it was magic? Guess they're both Barbie girls in a Barbie world. And the rest of us are just living in it.